Hello, assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe is very simple and delicious recipe. It's chicken macaroni recipe. Let's get started. Take a pot, add oil, heat it and add 3 sliced onions. Now add salt. Saute it well until brown. Meanwhile, on the other side, we'll keep water for boiling for the macaroni. And this is for the masala. After the onions are golden brown, add chopped tomatoes and saute it well. In total, I have taken 4 tomatoes, 2 tomatoes chopped and 2 tomato puree. I have added 2 tomato purees. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. To the boiling water add salt. The water should be salty. Now add around 1 tablespoon of oil to the water and let it boil. Now let's check the masala. The masala is almost cooked. The tomato is cooked. Now let's add the chicken. Mix it well. Now let's add the spices. 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Now add 2 tablespoons of kashmiri chilli powder or paprika powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and mix. Add 4 green chilies and salt as per your taste and mix. While tasting the masala, I felt something was missing and it was chicken masala powder. So add 2 tablespoons of chicken masala powder and mix. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Now add the macaronis to the boiling water, mix and let it cook. After 5 minutes, let's check the masala. At this stage, you need to check the salt. If it's less, you need to add the salt. Mine was less, so I have added salt. Mix well, cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. After 15 minutes, the masala is cooked. You can see the oil on top. It's well cooked. Now let's check the macaroni if it's cooked well. Yes, it's cooked. Now let's drain the macaroni and add to the masala. Add macaronis in 2 batches and mix. Now add boiled macaroni water to the macaroni and mix. Add handful of coriander leaves, cover and let's keep for them on a low flame for 5 minutes. Simple, easy and delicious chicken macaroni recipe is ready to serve. Hope you like my recipes. Do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye.